Hello, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I am your subject teacher of social study, and in our last video, we have discussed about the chapter number 16, that is part 2. And in this video, we are going to discuss about the part 3 of chapter number 16. So, student, now let's have a quick overview on the chapter number 16 once again for better understanding. Chapter name is the United Nations. So, what is the United Nations and what is the work and aims and structure of United Nations? So, student, after the Second World War, after the Second World War, end of the Second World War, the leader of the nations means to find ways and means to prevent wars in future. Towards this end, on 24th of October 1945, the United Nations organization was formed with 51 members countries and aims of United Nations. The aims of United Nations to maintaining peace and security around the world, developing friendly relations among countries, promoting social progress, better living standard and human right in members country, and protecting the environment, increasing food production and disaster management in members countries. And there are some structures of the United Nations. There are 6 structures of the United Nations. First one is General Assembly, second Security Council, third the Trustship Council, fourth the Economic and Social Council, 5 the International Court of Justice, and 6 the Secretariat. So student, General Assembly is the main organ of the United Nations, and Security Council maintain international peace and security, and it has total of 15 members, of which 5 are permanent members. These are United States of America, United Kingdom, France, Russia and China. Secretariat is also an organ of the United Nations, and the member of this body carry out the day-to-day work of the United Nations. And fourth, Economic and Social Council. This organ take care of the economic and social work of the United Nations. And fifth, the Trustship Council. This body was set up to help countries that were earlier under colonial rules. And sixth, the International Courts of Justice. This is the judicial organ of the United Nations. It settles the dispute between the members country. And there are certain special agency of the United Nations. First one is United Nations International Children Fund. It work for the children. Second, the Food and Agriculture Organization, and it try to ensure that every person in the world has food to eat. And third, the World Health Organizations. This body work toward the reduction of disease like malaria. And fourth, the United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organizations. This agency undertakes literacy and teacher training program. And fifth one is International Labour Organization. It works to improve the working condition of a worker and living standards of workers. It works to improve the working condition and living standard of the worker of the members country. So now in this video we will discuss about the achievement and failure of the United Nations. So student, there are certain achievement and there are certain failures of the United Nations. In its almost 70 years of existence, the United Nations has had some achievement and some failures. So student, there are some achievement of the United Nations and there are some failures of the United Nations, and we will discuss about achievement and failures. First, the UNO has managed to safeguard the world from a third world war. So student, the United Nations organization First achievement of the United Nations organization is to manage to safeguard the world from Third World War, because with the help of forming of the United Nations organizations, the leader of the nation means to find way and means to prevent wars in future, means the Third World War. This is the first achievement of the United Nations organizations. Look at the second achievement of the United Nations organization is the UN has been able to free the modern world from colonialism. So student, it is also an achievement of the United Nations organizations. So there are certain structure and there are certain organs of the United Nations that work to help the country that were earlier under colonial rules and free this country from colonial rules. So this is also an achievement of the United Nations organizations. So look at the next. That is third achievement of the United Nations are the UN send peacekeeping forces to places where war has just ended to ensure peace is maintained. The movement against apartheid was also started by the UN. So student, after the end of the war, the United Nations organization sent peacekeeping forces to that places and to ensure peace is maintained or not for the security. So this is also an achievement of the United Nations organizations. So look at the next. The UN has fought against illiteracy, hunger, disease and climate change to make this world a better place. So student, the United Nations organizations fought against the illiteracy, means the illiterate people who cannot read and write, hunger, fought against for hunger, disease and climate change. So there are certain agencies that work for this. First one is the World Health Organization work for the reduction of disease, and the Food and Agriculture Organization try to ensure that every person in the world has food to eat, and there are certain agency that work for the education, that is UNICEF, the United Nations International Children Fund, work for the children of the world, and it try to ensure that children get adequate nutrition, education, health, protection and clean water. So climate change. So there are certain agencies of the United Nations that work for to take certain steps to control climate change. So there are the certain achievement of the United Nations, and now I am going to discuss about the some failures of the United Nations organizations are as follow. First one is, however, it is failed to stop the spread of nuclear weapons across the globe. So student, the nuclear weapons are failed to stop the spread of nuclear weapons around the world and around the globe. So it is the most important, it is the main failures of the United Nations, and it cannot control to spread the nuclear weapons around the globe and around the world. Next, it has failed to make its member country reach an agreement on climate change and the steps to be taken to prevent it. So student, it is also an failure of the United Nations organization, because it is failed to make its member country to control and to prevent climate change, the steps to be taken to prevent it. So this is also a failures of the United Nations organizations. Look at the next. It could not stop the Iraq-American war. So student, the United Nations organization cannot stop the Iraq-American war. It cannot stop. So These are the certain failures of the United Nations organizations. India received continuous help from the UN through its special agencies. So, student, India, our country, received certain and continuous help from the United Nations organization through its special agencies, and the special agencies are as the United Nations International Children Fund, UNICEF, the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, the World Health Organization, WHO, the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, and International Labour Organization, ILO. So, India received continuous help from the UN through its special agencies. So now I am going to discuss about the contribution made by India to the UN. So what are the contribution made by the India to the UN? India take part in all projects of the special agencies of the UN. India has contributed a large number of troops to the UN peacekeeping mission. Our peacekeeping troops have worked in Egypt, Sri Lanka, Haiti and other places. India has been a member of the Security Council for 7 years term. India also contribute money to the United Nations Fund. So student, our country, that is India, take part in the all project of the special agency of the United Nations, and it also contribute a large number of troops to the United Nations peacekeeping missions, and our peacekeeping troops have worked in many countries like Egypt, Sri Lanka, Haiti and other places, and India has been a member of the Security Council for 7 years terms, and India also contribute money to the United Nations Fund. So student, India also contribute and donate and contribute money to the United Nations Fund, and so student, the United Nations organization receive contribution from the members country, and through this contribution it spend this, through this contribution the United Nations organization spend this contribution on the certain projects like for the food, for the disease, and for the reduction of disease and hunger, disease and climate change and illiteracy. So by this contribution the United Nations work smoothly. So I hope you all are understood about these two topic. First one is achievement and failure of the United Nations. Second one is contribution made by India to the UN. So you have to read and learn about this two topic, and this is your today's homework. So that's all, and thank you.